Hey guys, it's Patrick from Pixilated, and today I'm going to show you everything that is included in a PixiTAB Plus bundle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set up the tripod, extend those legs, tighten that up, extend the neck, tighten it up. Then I'm going to grab my trusty PixiTAB Plus carrying case and shake what's inside here. PixiTAB Plus. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the head unit out, pull these wires to the side while I slide it over top of the mount. Grab one of the thumb screws from the case included and go ahead and screw that down so it will not accidentally fall off during our event. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to power on the tablet as well as the camera. Once the tablet powers on, I'm going to go ahead and swipe up, enter my secret PIN. And if it's not logged onto the Wi-Fi, I'm going to swipe down and log it onto the Wi-Fi. In this case, we're already on the Wi-Fi, so I'm just going to go ahead and launch the Pixi app. So with your hardware software bundle of your PixiTAB Plus, you actually get 12 months of our software, PixiCloud, included with it. So you'll be able to create as many events as you want, export all the photos, export all the emails, etc., etc. So as you can see, the app finishes loading and it's already ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and tap a photo and take a picture. And then swipe to choose which overlay I like. I'm going to go with the black. And then I'm going to text it to myself so I can post it to the gram. And that's it, it's ready to go again. So, pretty straightforward. That is what you get whether you rent, lease, or purchase a PixiTAB Plus bundle. Through Friday night at midnight, we're gonna be running some really incredible deals. You can save as much as $600 on your bundle. So head over to www.pixilated.com and you can't miss it. Big banner right across the top. All right, that's it for me. Get pixelated.